What's up?
What's up, guys? Let's roll.
It's the gang up again.
Wait.
To Flappy Birds.
Wait, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel.
It's yo boys, cool gang. You use someone's YouTube. You're copyright. This is gonna go uploaded because we're gonna play hide and seek,
And we aren't gonna be hide and seek.
freeze tag. So whoever gets tagged freezes
frozen
until
And then the other person on freeze down.
the last person that gets freeze wins. So that's how we're gonna play, all right? So ready? Once someone gets tagged, whoever's the person that tagged me grabs the phone, and then Buddy grabs the phone. Like Buddy's gonna grab the phone, and then you're gonna run, and then Carla takes the phone, and then she's like, "Oh my God!" Ready?
Okay.
Carla, you count to 20, okay?
I don't want to.
Buddy, count to 20.
No.
Yeah.
No, you do.
No, you.
No, cameraman always counts.
All right, fine. I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Here I come. Record, buddy. Record, buddy.
You can't get me.
Go, buddy. Go, buddy. Go, buddy. Tag. Buddy's it.
I'm at last.
No, you're it. Because I just went, so you're last.
Okay, then give me the camera.
Alright, take the camera. Now go upstairs and count to 20. It's Buddy's turn to count.
Go down.
You have to go down and hide.
Guys, I'm gonna count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Upstairs. No.
You're in range. Wait, she never got it.
Oh yeah, Carla's it. So you take the camera. Don't do fancy stuff.
Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Okay, they should be here in a minute. Shh, guys. I think they're in the table with us. Okay, let's see. Let me.
Carla.
Guys, what I tell you, you guys are gonna have to stay down here. I'm not gonna let you guys go
Carla
back
here.
The next time you guys come back down here, you're gonna stay down here. No toys, no nothing. So you guys think about that really hard.
It's a toy.
Hi, guys.
Alright, guys. This will be the end of the video.